So am I recording right now?
Yeah.
Am I? All right, so I'm going to do this problem. 3x squared plus 7x minus 5 equals 0. I'm going to complete the square on this one. Also, simultaneously, I'm going to complete the square on that one. Each step I put on the left, I will do the similar step on the right, so you can see how it all goes. All right, so what do I do first? Move the 5, correct. 3x squared plus 7x equals 5. What would be the similar step here? What would be this step here? 8x squared plus 3x equals negative c. Okay? What's the next step here? Christian, you know? You remember from yesterday?
I do.
Oh, okay. What do I do? No, you're not ready to do that yet. Right. This coefficient has to be 1 for that squaring thing to work. So I need to divide out that 3. So I'm going to divide everybody by 3. Yes? So this becomes x squared plus 7 over 3x equals 5 over 3. Yes, no? Well, what's the similar step on this one? Divide everybody by a. So I'll end up with x squared plus b over ax equals negative c over a. Now, someone asked in the other class, is it okay if you divided by the 3 first and then move whatever's left in the c area? That's fine. These first 2 steps, you just have to do both of them in either order. I am now ready to complete the square because I've moved the thing that's not factoring. I've got the 1 coefficient on the x squared. Now I'm going to complete the square on both of these. But I'm going to do it nice and... What number do I put right here? Half of 7 over 3, which is what? 7 over 6, yes? 7 over 6. Are you guys getting more comfortable with that? And when I square that, I get what? 49 over 36. That's what goes here, but if I add it to that side, I must also add it to that side. Yes? So, add plus 49 over 36. I also have to do it here. Plus 49 over 36. Happy? I'm going to do exactly the same thing here. What goes right there? Done. You tell me. Half of, just do what I did here. Half of b over a, which would equal what? Come on. B over 2a, and then I need to square that. B squared over 2a times 2a, 4a squared. That's what's going to go here and there. Just like the 7 over 6 one. Yeah? Victoria, are you right? You're looking like you're in pain here. So, I have... Yes? That is the completing of the square. That's the stuff I just did now. So now, the magic happens in your calculator, but on this side, that will automatically factor now. I don't have to think about this, do I? I simply go, it's going to be that. What was half of b? That's what goes here, always. That side is done. Now on this side, I don't want you guys to get lost in the fraction stuff again, but trust me, if you did this, you're going to end up, either take out your calculator, or you could just say, you have 5 over 3 plus 49 over 36. Common denominator would be 36. That one's not changing. That was times 12, so that's times 12. So you get 109 over 36. If you don't believe me, just take that out in your calculator and do it. You will get 109 over 36. Yes, I just added the two fractions together. This side is slightly more challenging, but it's what I did yesterday. Plus b squared over 4a squared. Now again, I'm just doing what I did there. I need a common denominator, which would be what? 4a squared, correct. So I'm not changing that one. This, I have to multiply by 4a on the top and the bottom. So I get negative 4ac over 4a squared. So, and I'm simply going to write this one first, followed by that one, all over 4a squared. You see it? So on this side, I'm going to end up with b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Yes? And what about this side? Just factor that. You don't have to think about it, do you? It's going to be this. What was half of that? What was half of b over a? B over 2a. There you go. So you see I'm exactly same place on both of these, yeah? Okay. So now, what do we always do when we get to here? I got something squared.
Square root it.
There you go. Square root. Square root. All that's going to be left over here, of course, is what? There you go. That one, if you have the square root of a fraction, you can take the square root of the top and the square root of the bottom. I do not know the square root of 109, so I'm just going to so it'll be plus or minus the square root of 109. I do know the square root of 36. Yeah. Same deal here. Same deal here. Look. I'm going to square root that.
See, if I had notes like this, I probably would have done that. Just saying.
Alright, so I still have just b squared. What's the square root of 4a squared? 2a.
I hate putting that plus or minus.
Alright, almost done. Yes? Now watch. Minus the 7, 6 from this side. Minus the 7, 6 from this side. That's gone. What do I have left? X equals negative 7 over 6 plus or minus the square root of 109 over 6. So let's just finish that one off. Since they both have the same denominator, the way you'll see it written generally would be just put it all over 6. And what's over 6? Negative 7. I have solved that one using completing the square because it didn't factor. That's how I have to do it. If it factors, you just factor it. These are the two places this thing will cross the x-axis. It is. Look. Is this going to be, will this parabola cross the x-axis? And how do you know? Stevie, will this cross the x-axis? Okay. When doesn't it cross the x-axis? When it's a negative square root. Do we have a negative square root? This will cross the x-axis, but it will cross at nasty numbers because it's not a perfect square. So that's this one. There's the solution. Let's finish off this guy right here. I have to minus the b over 2a from this side. So I minus b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac still all over 2a. Just like we had a 6 and a 6 here, what do we have here? Let's put it all over 2a. What's over 2a? And here is our quadratic formula. Yes? You see it? Now, back in the day, people got tired of doing this all the time. This is a lot of work, isn't it? So they decided, wait a minute, some smart dude some years ago said, I'm just going to do it on the general form of the equation. General form meaning this. And then when I'm done, if I just put in the A, B, and C into here, I should get that. Yes? Okay, so I don't know how to stop this. Okay, go.